In this video, I am going to discuss about the force and its effect. Force is that cause which changes the state of a body or the direction of motion or changes the size or shape of the body, and this type of force is called balanced force. Whereas if a force changes the state of rest to motion or the state of motion to rest, it is called unbalanced force. We often use the word force in everyday life as push, pull, stretch and squeeze. Push and pull tend to move a body, while stretch and squeeze tend to change the shape or size of the body. So let's discuss force as push. For example, when we have to open the door, what we do? We push. Clear? Then another is to move a trolley. What happens? To move a trolley, a man push it. Clear? Then you can see on the screen also the picture. Then if a car does not start by its engine, then what we have to do? We have to push it to move. Clear? Next, force as a pull. Like to move a grass roller on a lawn, it is pulled by a gardener. To move a cart, the pull is exerted by a bull. To move a luggage trolley, the coolie applies force as pull on the trolley. A rickshaw man pulls the rickshaw to move it. Clear? So on the basis of this, we can say that force is a cause which tends to result in the movement of a body. Now, effects of a force. When force is applied on a body, it can have many effects. Like a force can move a body originally at rest. Means when a force is applied on a body originally at rest, what happens? It begins to move. For example, a car originally at rest, when pushed, begins to move. A grass loader, when pulled, begins to move. Next effect, a force can stop a moving body. Means when a force is applied on a moving body, it can be made to stop. For example, a moving cricket ball is stopped by the fielder when he catches it by applying a force with his hands in a direction opposite to the motion of the ball. Next effect, a force can make a moving body to move faster. Means when a force is applied on a moving body in the direction in which it is moving, the body begins to move faster. For example, the swing moves faster when a boy gives a push to it. Next effect, a force can slow down a moving body. When a force is applied on a moving body in a direction opposite to the direction of motion of the body slows down or stops. For example, the speed of a moving vehicle is slowed down by applying the brakes. A swing can be slowed down if a boy, instead of pushing it, pulls the swing in the opposite direction. Next effect, a force can change the direction of motion of a moving body. If a force is applied on a moving body in a direction other than its direction of motion, the direction of motion of the body changes. For example, a player kicks a moving football to change its direction of motion. Next effect, a force can change the shape or size of the body. When a force is applied on a body which is not free to move, it gets deformed. Deformed means the shape or size of the body changes. For example, on squeezing a piece of rubber, its shape changes. Another example also is here. If one end of the spring is tied to a hook and the other end is pulled down by suspending a body, its length increases. And less increase means what? The size changes. Clear? Now, the kinds of forces. There are basically two kinds of forces on the basis of application of forces. So the first is contact force and the second one is non-contact forces. Contact forces means the forces which acts on a body by making an actual contact is called the contact force. Means when your body is in touch with that object on which you are applying the force, then it is called as contact force. For example, the muscular force is applied as push and pull. When we have to push the door, when we have to pull the door to open it or to close it, we use our hand, we apply the muscular force. So this is the example of contact force. The force of friction or frictional force exerted by a surface on a body moving on it in a direction opposite to the direction of motion is also the example of what? Contact force. Then the next is the force of tension in a string. When a load is suspended from it, then this is also the example of force of what? Contact, or we can say the contact forces. So in this, the force of tension as a contact force. Now, the force of reaction normal to the surface when a body is placed on the surface, then this is also the example of the contact force. So here the force of reaction is acting as a contact force. Next is non-contact forces. The forces which act on bodies with no contact with them are called non-contact forces, or the forces from a distance. For example, gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force, they are the examples of what? Non-contact forces. So gravitational force between two bodies at a distance, such as the force between two heavenly bodies, the force of attraction on a body by earth, this all is the example of what? Non-contact forces in the form of gravitational force. The weight of a body is the force by which earth attracts that body. The leaves and the fruits fall from a tree downwards towards the ground. Water in a river flows down streams. So these all are some examples of motion due to which force? Gravitational force. Next is electrostatic force. With electrostatic force between the two charged bodies at a distance, which either repel or attract each other. Unlike charges attract while the like charges repel. If a plastering comb rubbed on dry hair is brought near the small bits of paper, what will happen? We find that the bits of paper begin to move towards the comb, and this happens because of the electrostatic force of attraction between the unlike charges. Okay. Next is magnetic force. Magnetic force between the poles of two magnets at a distance. Like poles repel each other while the unlike poles attract each other. As you know, in the magnet two poles are there, north pole and south pole. So you can see the figure on this screen also, that when two north poles are brought close to each other, then there is a repulsion, and this indicates that like poles what? Like poles repel each other. And in another one you can see that the north and south poles brought close to each other, and then there is a attraction. So this indicate that unlike poles attract each other.